Hi guys, welcome back to Baking Fiat. Today we're going to be making roasted pumpkin seeds. So I started with 650 grams of pumpkin seeds and I divided it into 4 bowls. So our first bowl, we're going to be doing 3 grams of garlic salt, about 1/8 of a teaspoon of chili powder, and 11 grams of olive oil. So let's mix that up and put it aside. So let's start on the second bowl. It's going to be tajin and olive oil. I used 3 grams of tajin and 11 grams of olive oil. Let's mix it up and put it aside. So for our third bowl, we're going to do the childhood classic. It's salt and pepper. So we're going to do 3 grams of salt and 0.7 of a gram of pepper. You can increase it if you'd like. And we'll do 11 grams of olive oil. So we'll mix it up and put it aside. For our fourth bowl, we're going to do 1/4 of a teaspoon of nutmeg, half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a tablespoon of sugar, and 15 grams of corn oil. So let's mix it up and let's go. So we're going to be putting our pumpkin seeds on baking sheets with parchment under them. So I'm keeping them into our 4 sections so I can know which one is which. We're going to evenly flatten it and then we're going to label them. It'll help us remember which one is which when we're pulling them from the oven. Okay, into the oven they go. My oven runs colder, so I have it at 370, but I recommend doing 350 for 10 minutes. And then we're going to rotate them. We're going to be sorting, evenly mixing, keeping our piles. Then we'll put it back in the oven after we rotate. And I'm going to turn the oven up to 375. So I recommend another 10 minutes of baking, and then when we pull them out, they'll be ready to eat. It smells so good, all the cinnamon and sugar, delicious. Okay, so the first one's our salt and pepper, our second one is our cinnamon and sugar, our third one is the garlic and the chili, and the fourth one is the tajin. Okay, so it's all done. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.